Hey viewers, TrainNut85 here, actually here in Nashville at the Tennessee Central Railway Museum. Alongside me is TNRailsandTales, and of course we're both masks because of the mandatory mask deal they got here, but we're here for the open house. We're going to go see some of the other locomotives on display, including 576. Wanted to see how the progress is being made. I'm actually doing this off my phone. Camcorder part is actually going to be for a train action that we're going to watch later on, which you'll see in another video. So just stay tuned and you'll see more clips. That's a nice name to put on a car, Spirit Tennessee.
Maybe I can move that up to Knoxville, it might help.
They got quite the roster of cars. These are the stainless steel fleet that came off of many railroads. There's even an observation car that once belonged to Jackie Gleason. It's pretty interesting. I'm just kind of roaming through here. Trucks, got that thing sitting there. I've been in the cab of that, but that was years ago. Looks like they've done some extensive boiler work. Replace the cab floor. It looks like they're making some pretty good progress on it.
Here's the other slide right up here in front. Oh, I'm sorry. Here's the other one, and you can see it partially out.
A lot of work being done. I bet you when they get this done, this thing is going to be something else. Look at the size of the drivers. Figured they have to do it in every detail. There's a lot of markings on there, what all they got to take care of. Entirely different from the time I've seen it in the park. You can see that they're working on the inside there. There's one of the grates going into the boiler. That's the flue sheet that's inside there. They had to replace 2 of them. This is some amazing work that they're doing. Now, TNRailsandTales, what's your thought on this?
I'm ready to ride behind it already.
Yeah, same here.
Fire it up, let's go.
Yeah, exactly.
Throw 611 with it too.
Yeah, ain't that a wish. It's like a toy train set. Only 300 tons bigger. Doing that, and I'm just able to see this. This is when you get a lot of people that really care. I'm gonna zoom up on here. $350,000 dated just a few days ago. That's amazing. Yeah, here's the front side of the firebox. You can kind of see that there's been some work done in there. A little bit. Let's give you a detail. This is when it's sat in the park. I got photos of myself. I took myself, and when they were beginning to do some work on it or get it ready to be moved. Now it's February last year. This is when they finally moved it.
Trying to get these brakes worked out. Something's going on with the equalizing reservoir over here. He put it up to 100 to do a brake test yesterday. We're trying to get it back down to 90, and now it's at 35 for some reason. So, yeah. If you want to sit in the seat and take pictures, go ahead.
Anyways, folks, this is number 52 that's parked in the yard. This is a EMD switcher, and this is my kind of view. You can actually see alongside the number board.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Looks like TNRailsandTales is getting this moment in the cab. This is the switcher here.
There's some merch for Channel 55.
Alright.
Is that Mr. Whip?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the first time I've met him.
And we get to go in this lovely little thing. I was like looking at, oh, I've chased that thing before.
Learn a little bit about safety around the trains and crossings, of course, and what we're trying to stay control.
Now, who could go wrong with a view like this? Looking back towards there. There's the other seat. You can see you gotta look.
You're welcome to do that.
You want me to assist you to get up there?
For a train and a food.
Well, they still got this layout. I actually operated on this one before, but that was years ago. Are you done recording?
Not yet.
Mr. Bobby's still drawing.
The caboose is still coming up here, so.
Huh, L&N caboose.
Well, if you look at the Jeeps up there, like I was saying.
Oh, yeah.
That was an L&N caboose. No, that's not. That's us.
That's Kodachrome there.
Yeah. They got a Kodachrome.
Oh, look at the F units.
Yeah, I got them, the SPs.
Yeah.
I like that scheme on the SPs.
We're actually inside Union Station here in Nashville. First time I get to be in there, and look at the architecture on this. Wow. Nice thing is, track 14. Oh man, this is beautiful in here. Hope you fans are enjoying this. We're going to look around some more. This is actually a train board. This is listed every train that has come through on the L&N and the NC. This is departure to north, departure to south. That's the L&N. And then you got the route from the north, route from the south. And the NC, driving from the west would be Memphis, driving from the south. And then you got seems like from the west, this is before they had the one train, City of Memphis, which it could be any one of those. And then you had these Dixie Limited, Dixie Flyer. And then you had the number 5. That was from Tullahoma to Chattanooga. You had the Dixie Flagler, which was one of the regulars. And then he had some of these other trains. This is amazing. And there's all the times that they departed. Amazing. Went up, whew, 2 flights of stairs. We're on what we call the loft. Look at the size of that clock. And just the architecture is just amazing. I gotta go look at this. This is just amazing. That's an actual carving right there. There's the clock. There goes TNRailsandTales and Mr. Bob on the other side, which we're going to follow to. Oh, this is amazing. Look at the chandeliers. I mean, they did a nice job keeping this up. Anyways, let me get around our companions here. Look at this. That's all carved. Oh, man. And the big clock at the other end.